Totally forgot to press record in the beginning of this. We're gonna do some Coho salmon, Asian style. Little furikake, wild caught salmon, marinade, skin on. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Give it a few minutes, guys. Skin side down, little sesame oil, little OVOOLEOEOO, whatever that girl says, olive oil. We'll sear this down for about a minute on the skin. I like the skin to be a little crispy, and then we'll finish it off on the side. Delicious meal. Wild fresh salmon. Oh yeah. Salmon nice and seared through. Good looking immaculate. We gotta get the crispiness, but we don't want that brown skin too much on that side. We gotta keep it nice and golden. Furikake. While we wait, we make our sauce. This is the stuff right here. This is kind of like a bang bang sauce. We make a little sriracha, a little furikake on top of that, fresh cucumber going on the rice, a little honey, a little mayo. Yep, gonna be a good one. Light, refreshing, better hot sticky rice, salmon, some sauce. Good meal. Easy, 10-minute meal. Put that salmon on low. Glaze that salmon with that sauce you just made. That boom boom bang bang sauce. It'll be boom boom bang bang all night. And a little furikake, you put it on there. You let it heat up and let it glaze over the top. Put that salmon on low and just let it roll. Let the skin get nice and crisp. Salmon furikake with a boom boom glaze, sticky rice, ginger pickled cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes.